Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video, as the title says, I'm gonna be painting the brake calipers. So I think people are wondering, okay, why would you wanna paint the stock brake caliper? They look awful. I got one of these. Yes, so these are 300ZX brake calipers. These are only for friends, but I got these for steel, and I wanted to, it's a little rough right now, so I wanted to clean it up a little bit and put some new color. So you guys are probably wondering, what color am I painting? So today I'm gonna be using these engine high temp resistant paint. So this is the color purple, and I wanted a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna try, after painting this, I'm gonna flake this glitter that I bought everywhere on the caliper, and then seal it with clear. I don't know if this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try to get that candy paint look. But yeah, we're just gonna try it and see if it works or not. But if you guys wanna get to know more about it, keep on watching. And let's get right in.
Life is fleeting. And if you're ever distressed, cast your eyes to the summer sky. As you can see, I placed this yellow paint booth that I just made, and we're gonna get right in with the painting. I decided that I'm gonna do it one by one instead of two at the same time, so I'm gonna try spray it in a way that I can preserve painting. So like, I know you guys can see like a little dark spot here and there, but I'm not really trying to do it perfectly here. I'm just doing it just to do it for now. So honestly, if it looks kind of nice, then that's kind of all I'm looking for here. So yeah, we're gonna get right in with painting. So first you wanna shake this for a minute. Alright, so I just shake for like a minute. This paint, it's instructed to go over only 2 times, so I'm probably gonna just do 2 times and try to put some flake on it before it gets dry. So that's the plan. Alright, let's get right in. First coat is now done. I'm going to go over it with the second coat, and right after I'm going to basically just kind of throw some glitter towards to the front of it. I only just want the front side looks nice, so I'm just gonna throw some glitter on top of the front, and yeah, I hope this will allow to give that candy paint look. So
I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you. If I told you just how I felt, but I can't help it. I'm falling for you, and I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you.
alright guys, so it's the next day now. I just went out there to check out the calipers. It looks amazing. You know, I didn't know what to expect because it's basically a ghetto candy paint effect that I tried doing. My opinion though, like it's not the greatest. Honestly, it's not the greatest for the amount of work I put into. I feel like it came out nice, but definitely could have bought like metallic paint and the candy paint. I found this website that you can buy them. You guys can check this website out. They sell candy spray paint, which is really cool because I've seen other YouTubers using that as a candy paint. But you know, I wanted to be cheap. I wanted to make sure paint didn't crack or anything like that. So it was definitely a temporarily. When I do an overhaul of the brake, I'm gonna take it apart and strip all the paint again. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it looks for the amount of money I spent. Actually, I only spent about like $15 at most. Yeah, so less than $15, probably like 6, 9, yeah, I spent about $12 for all the work I just did. I think it's definitely worth it. It's definitely worth the try. If you guys have time and space to do it, I think I say do it just because it's cheap. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I thought it came out pretty good for what I was expecting. So yeah, I think I would say this was a success. Alright, well, with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and follow all my social media, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.